So I'll show you guys a few tricks to make electronic dance music. I think everyone should learn. So I have a project loaded up here now. I have a kick, sounds like this. I have a bass sound like this. A synth sound. And a vocal. So if you put them all together, it sounds like this. So it's good, but you can hear that the bass sound overlaps a bit with the kick. So the two are fighting for the frequency. So what you want to do, you want the bass sound to dodge the frequency when the kick is playing. So you do that by doing something we call the sidechain. So to achieve this sound, you have to add a compressor onto the bass. And then you send the signal of the kick through sidechain. So if you have Ableton loaded up, you use a compressor here, and you press sidechain, and then you choose the kick, and then you bring the threshold down. So then when the kick is playing, the bass will dodge that frequency. And when the kick is not playing, it comes back up again. So it creates the movement in the bass sound. So let's play that again. And that's my tip.